Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Bouncy video effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, I am going to add some images to track, and I'm going to go to animation, select combo animation, and you can find the Bouncy but this is for effect you have to join Pro first be able to use this effect. So add to the clip and full, and so previously I set up the image duration in 2.0 seconds. So select the bouncy rise to the clip, right? So you can add the transition and select the color blur, apply to all the clips. So here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. It's so super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.